Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously it has been a while, like a long while, but I will be trying to get back into this. I got something in my eye. As most of you probably know by now, I am obsessed with Linda Hallberg and also all of her makeup products and everything, even though the ones I haven't tried, I'm probably obsessed with those too. And so when Linda dropped her latest look, I was like, I'm gonna try that. So I will be trying something like this. Oh, she's so beautiful. Like this today. Red and sparkly. Obviously it looks a little bit darker on camera, but yeah. And she uploaded a tutorial on how to do it, so I will now be trying to replicate the look. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with my base, I think. And like last time, I will be using the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation from Makeup Revolution London. Like so. And next I am going in with the good old Wonder Powder from Makeup Store. And I use this in the color Nevada. Like so. And next I will be going in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Like so. And for blush I will be going in with the Infninty palette by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and I will be using Andromeda as I usually do. Yeah, let's do brows now. And I will keep using the Infninty palette, and now I'm going in with Cigar. And now for the part I am dreading, priming the lids with the Anger Mood Crayon, Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. I am so bad at blending these and smudging them or whatever. Like so bad. I don't get how she does it so fast. It just doesn't work for me. But yeah, so I will be trying my best for this, and it might turn out like crap, but that's okay. I don't get it. How does she do it so perfectly? Because this looks so bad. I just don't know how she does it. Oh my god. looks so bad. Like, I really don't know how she does it. Then she went in with the Metallic Mysteries 2 by Hallberg Cosmetics. And the color Arcturus. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is red on a finger. She also goes in with Arcturus on a brush, so I'll try that. Let's leave this for a while and go back to the Infninty palette and Fornax. I will be doing a soft eyeliner with this and also going in my crease. Will you move? Okay, thanks. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Oops, daisy. Next, I will be going in with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. So, I believe I do have the core crayon that she used to do her lips, but I don't have any glosses like that because I don't like wearing gloss. Anyways, I will be going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Club Hopper. Oh yeah, I like that. Dark eyes, dark lip. That's the stuff. So I remembered I haven't done any highlights, so I should probably do that. And I think I'll be going in with Milky Way from the Infninty palette. Looks like a Coke nose, but too white. Well, something like that. And for lashes today, I will be wearing the $1 Million Baby Lashes by Rebecca Stella Makeup. But I will be putting these on off camera, and I will maybe do something with my overall look. But yeah, this is the finished look. I think that the lashes definitely helped. I haven't quite dried yet. That's why it's white there. Anywho, I'm just too lazy to wait. That's okay. Yeah, like I said, I think the lashes really helps with the overall look. It looks a bit better with the lashes on. But I love a dark lip and paired with dark eyes. So this is like, if it was executed better, this would be like an ideal look for me. But since it's not, I still kind of like it. I like the idea of it. Like if Linda Hallberg did my makeup, I would be like, But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Head on over to Linda Hallberg's channel instead. She's way better at this than I am. But yeah, I forgot to do my nose too. That's something. Anywho. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and please comment if you have any ideas on what to do next. This could definitely be like a witch makeup for Halloween or whatever. Why not? But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye!